What are you cooking?
Ampalaya with eggs.
So how do you cook ampalaya, mother?
Hmm?
How do you cook ampalaya?
You don't know how? Just
You don't know how.
And
So how
then-
do you do it?
When you're about to take from the stove, just put the eggs. That's it.
What's the ingredient of ampalaya? What is ampalaya?
Bitter melon.
Wow. Bitter melon. In English,
Healthy
bitter
food.
melon. Okay.
Stella, magpakita ka doon.
Ma, binibideo kita and videoing it. I'm gonna post it.
Don't post.
No, I'm gonna post
No.
it.
No.
Okay, so how do you cook the ampalaya?
Saute with garlic,
Mm-hmm.
onion, and tomatoes. Put some salt and pepper, and put the ampalaya, and then let it cook. Let it little bit tender, and then put the eggs before you take out from the stove.
How come it's so dry? There is no like soup or sabaw?
You like something? If you don't like, if you
Where's
like,
this shrimp?
no shrimp.
Nasa hipon.
I'm lazy
Ay,
to
naku.
put. I have
Walang
shrimp,
hipon.
but I'm lazy to put. I have shrimps over there. Too much work.
Okay.
We
Mga
have
kaibigan, ayan ha. Magluto na kayo ng ampalaya.
We have
Wow,
longganisa.
look at that.
We have longganisa anyway.
Oh, do you want longganisa too? O, kung kain na tayo. Halika na.